Assalamualaikum, my name is NURBILLAHYASIRAH binti ISHAK. Today I want to talk about introduction of Optimus Holding Berhad and Contra Industri Berhad. Optimus Holding Berhad and Contra Industri Berhad for the financial management job. This company is in the wellness industry, which is very close to and relevant to our cause. We choose the organization since it provides numerous advantages and benefits in the wellness industry. Both of those companies provide a wide range of economical service to the many people that visit their establishment. This company deliver an integrated performance in the financial statement part, which is liquidity, stability, and probability, which will encourage investors to invest in the company based on the information provided in the financial data.
Contra Pharma, founded in 1982, has always had a single goal: to promote better health for people at all phases of life. Contra Pharma, a wholly owned subsidiary of Contra Industri Berhad, is now one of Malaysia's largest pharmaceutical firms. Contra Pharma is committed to doing cutting-edge research in order to stay at the forefront of healthcare technology and innovation. The development of our research lab in Malacca demonstrates our dedication to developing innovative, high-quality products that improve health and overall well-being. With our humanizing health vision, we think that everyone deserves a better tomorrow. Everyone has the right to high-quality, easily accessible healthcare. Based on the true faith in our goods, Contra Pharma has earned a rightful place in the pharmaceutical sector, as well as among healthcare experts, patients, customers, and in the home of thousands of families. For over 39 years, we have created a market presence in over 13 countries as a global industry player. Our goods are made in full accordance with the worldwide PIC as Good Manufacturing Practice Regulation. We aspire to consistently broaden our horizon and our effort to deliver. Optimus Holding Berhad was incorporated in Malaysia under the Company Act 2016 as private limited company on 9 August 2018 under the name of Optimus Holdings Berhad. Subsequently, on 20 January 2020, after converted into a public limited company and assumed our present name of Optimus Holding Berhad, the company was listed on the ACE market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad on 18 August 2020 and on 3 November 2022. Complete transfer for the listing of an quotation for the entire issue share capital of Optimax from the ACE market to the main market of Bursa Securities. In order to give their patients the best care and treatment option catered to their individual needs, this center offers a wide range of treatments targeted at addressing various eye and vision problems, such as refractive error, cataract, glaucoma, macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and other eye diseases and disorders. As of the date of this annual report, has 22 eye surgeons to perform a range of eye specialist service from diagnosis to treatment, including medical and surgical procedures. The eye surgeons are supported by a team of professional workforce of 54 optometrists to perform eye examination.
Assalamualaikum, my name is BALQIS binti BASIR. My metric number H22A0114. Today, I would like to present about ratio analysis company Optimax. The first one is liquidity ratio. This ratio has a three type, which is current ratio, quick ratio times, and net working capital. For the current ratio, quick ratio times, and net working capital show that it's decreased from 2021 to 2022. Secondly is activity ratio. The types of activity ratio have 5 types, which is asset turnover, account receivable, average collections period, inventory turnover, and fixed asset turnover. For the asset turnover, account receivable turnover, the average collection periods, and inventory turnover show that decrease from 2021 to 2022. For the fixed asset, show that equity from 2021 to 2022. Thirdly is leverage or debt ratio. This type have 3 of leverage, which is debt ratio, debt to equity ratio, and time interest earned ratio. For debt ratio and debt to equity ratio, show that equity from 2021 to 2022, while time interest earned ratio show that decrease from 2021 to 2022. For lastly ratio is profitability ratio. This ratio have return on equity, return on asset, gross profit margins, operating profit margins, and net profit margins. The 5 things of ratio show that equity from 2021 to 2022.
Hi, my name is SHAFIKA binti ZULKIFLI and my metric number is H22A0482. Now we will look at ratio analysis for company quota in 2021 and 2022. First, we have liquidity ratio, which is current ratio, quick ratio, and also net working capital. For quick ratio and net working capital, the amount showed that it was increasing, but for current ratio, the amount showed it was decreasing. Second is activity ratio. For total asset turnover, average collection period, and fixed assets turnover, it showed that it was increasing, but for account receivable turnover and inventory turnover, it shows that it was decreasing. Third, we have leverage or debt ratio, which is debt ratio, debt to equity ratio, and also time interest and ratio. For debt ratio, these two ratios they got the same percentage, but for debt to equity ratio, they show increasing, and for time interest and ratio, they show the amount was decreased. Last, we have profitability ratio, which is return on equity, return on asset, operating profit margin, and net profit margin shows the percentage was increasing, but for gross profit margin, it showed the percentage was decreasing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAKIRA binti FAUZI. In the following section, I will explain about the comparison study between the contra and optimized companies in 2022. Okay, the liquidity graph ratio clarifies how contra effectively manage their debts by paying off on the specific time and has a higher or net working capital than optimized. Okay, next, the activity ratio graph shows that optimized company manage sale and inventory to generate profits and also provide how quickly account receivable is collected compared to contra. The graph debt ratio also indicates that optimized has a higher debt to financial asset. A lower ratio shows that a lower risk in the firms can repay the loan. Represent the profitability ratio graph. Contra provides a strong return on investment to the company and shareholders. The productivity is also higher than optimate, show a high gross profit margin. Based on a comparison analysis of two companies, it's evident how the effects of the pandemic have impacted the financial condition of both companies. And case in point, which is inventory turnover, it also determines how frequently inventory is sold and replaced over a given time period. Comparison to optimize to contra, higher ratio reflects more efficient products sales and production. From another perspective, the gross profit margin show how much income is generated from sale after all direct costs are deducted. It means that contract is more effective at producing net sale and can settle its debt more quickly than one time. Considering that contract has the integrity and the ability to produce goods and earn profits, these stats can attract investors. In my opinion, they are the better performing field. If I investor, I would like to invest in the company Contra because I believe that this company efficient in making profits, even the company financing are unstable. That's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the report offers comprehensive detail on the recent financial standing of Optimus Berhad and Contra Industri Berhad. The data offered will be very helpful to potential investors in comprehending the performance, assets and liability of the company as well as how the current performance period stack up against early ones and the overall value of the business. It also compared the most recent reporting period with the preceding multiple announced period spending from 2021 to 2022.